Hi, I'm Dr. Arjnur from Dr. Arjnur's IELTS Institute. Today I'm giving you an important topic on task 1, part 1 of speaking, that is about the colors, your favorite color. So my favorite color is blue, or definitely I'll speak on the blue color. So first of all, I consider this color of the color of freshness, energy, tranquility, and peace. Because whenever I'm wearing this color, I always feel myself very much energetic. I feel that this color gives me freshness, and apart from this color is the color of sea and ocean, color of depth, or we can see that the color of freedom. So that's the reason whenever I wear this color, I feel myself free like a bird flying, and I get rid of all my fret and worries. So this is the power of the color. We can speak like that. Then you can add more points to this, that above all, this is the color of which is best suggested by the yoga gurus for the meditation, because we can concentrate better in the blue atmosphere. That's the reason. Have you ever noticed that the yoga mats are blue color in abundance? And secondly, usually the atmosphere is either the open sky or this is blue painted walls, because it enhances the concentration, and this is the best for meditation. Even I do that. So this is my favorite color. And one thing more I would like to add here, even the fashion experts have suggested the people to wear this color on their important interviews, because this has a positive impact on the interview. So I would end up by saying that blue color is one of the best colors, and this is, I guess, would be the favorite color for all males and the females, because this is not gender biased. This is equally liked by both the genders, males and the females, and this is a cool color, and that's the reason mostly it is worn in all the shades in the summer season. I love this color, and you can suggest which color is yours. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning. And you haven't subscribed our channel, just subscribe it right now so that you should get the latest updates on our channel whenever we are uploading any new video.